Now to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. Then after we solve O. O stands for of multiplication, or you can solve square roots and exponents. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Now, according to the BODMAS sequence, we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, multiplication. So M stands for multiplication. First we multiply the digits. Minus 314 multiplied by minus 9. Minus minus will become plus, and after multiplying you will get 2826. According to this step 1, we use the BODMAS rule. Multiplication must be performed before addition. That multiply two negative numbers result in a positive product. Now step 2, addition. A stands for addition in BODMAS. Minus 224 plus 2826 is equal to question mark. Now this is also the same. We plus minus minus, and answer will be in positive as the larger digit in positive. So 2602 is the final answer of this question. Reason, we know add the negative numbers to our product since the signs are different. We find the difference in signs of the larger number. So the correct option B, 2602 is the correct answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.